Hey there, PowerPoint pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tutorials simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to insert an arrow in PowerPoint 2025. Arrows are super handy for pointing out key ideas, creating flowcharts, or just adding some visual pop to your slides. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First things first, fire up Microsoft PowerPoint 2025 on your computer. Open the presentation you're working on and navigate to the slide where you want to add that arrow. Now, let's get into the steps. Head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. It's right there in the ribbon menu. Click on Shapes, which is usually in the Illustrations group. You'll see a drop-down menu packed with options, including all sorts of arrows like straight lines, curved ones, or even block arrows. Once you've selected your arrow shape, your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag on your slide to draw the arrow. Make it as long or short as you need. After you place it, you can customize it to perfection. Right-click on the arrow and choose Format Shape from the menu. Here, you can change the color, thickness, style, or even add effects like gradients or shadows to make it stand out. Pro tip: if you're in a hurry, use the keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Shift key while drawing to keep your arrow straight and proportional. It's a game changer for clean designs. Also, if you want to connect shapes or create diagrams, arrows are your best friend for showing relationships. One common mistake? Forgetting to group your arrow with other elements if you're moving things around. Just select everything and right-click to group them. And there you have it. That's how you insert and style an arrow in PowerPoint 2025. This feature hasn't changed much from previous versions, but it's always good to stay updated. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your favorite PowerPoint hack. Don't forget to check out our other videos on advanced presentation tips. See you next time. Keep creating awesome slides.